Hey Maria, this is Jessica with Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me this morning and for requesting this video. So today I'm going to show you a few things that you guys can do right away so you can start ranking and getting more organic traffic. So here we are on your website. You have a gorgeous website. Looks like you guys do some beautiful work. Um, I'm not sure what's going on here. Um, you do have a little bit of content. It looks like there is an attempt here to do some keywords, but unfortunately, that's not how it works for a website. This is more for Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Um, let's see. You are blogging, so that's good too. That definitely helps. Okay, so okay. Oh, I know exactly where this is too. I used to live in Killeen about 20 years ago. Okay, sorry. So, um, in order to rank a website, it is all based on content. Content is key. So your homepage should have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content, and the content needs to be based around your local buyer intent keywords. These are going to be relevant keywords that customers will actually be searching when they're looking for those pool builds or that backyard oasis. So you need to be using those relevant keywords. And there needs to be some repetition for those words. If you guys do a variety of different type of pool builds, you guys do granite or certain types of granite or water features or whatever. Um, you need to have separate pages for every single type of build or service that you guys perform. Um, the slides or water features should be one. Pergolas and gazebos should have its own page. Landscaping should have its own page. Outdoor kitchens should have its own page. And if you service multiple areas, if you're, Surface, Copper's Cove, and Killeen, um, doubt you'd have anything in Fort Hood, but all the way up to Dallas or however far you guys go, every town that you service that has uh keyword volume for that town or city also needs to have its own page so that when people in those communities are looking for your services, you can be found. Um, Google does not rank your website based on appearance. They use little robots called crawlers that go and index every single one of these pages looking for your content and your keywords. So if you don't have the content and keywords here, you're not going to be found. Now, your top competitor in Killeen is Texas Cool Pools, and they have a decent website. Um, and they have a lot more content throughout their website. Their homepage, I am not sure what all this is. What is going on? It's confusing. But they don't have enough content. Um, that cracks me up. So I'm sorry. So These guys don't have nearly enough content either. These guys are going to be super easy to beat. All you have to do is work on your content and keyword strategy and build out those additional pages with the appropriate content and keywords. Um, when we go here, this is a program called Ahrefs that analyzes how your website performs. And as you can see, you have a rating of a 0 out of 100 in Google's trust flow. That means that Google has no trust in your website. That is 100% to do with your referring domains and backlinks. You only have 23 backlinks, and they're pretty low quality backlinks. So they're not doing much to actually help you. Not all backlinks are created equal. So you need to make sure that you have high authority, relevant backlinks to your service and your industry. Because you don't have a lot of content, you're only being indexed for 65 keywords, and you're only seeing around 112 people to your website on average per month. Now, when we look at your competitor, they have a really low rating as well. And they have over 283 backlinks. Their homepage has a rating of a 22. So it looks like they're pushing all of their backlinks to their homepage, which actually is hurting them, because that means that backlinks aren't going to the services and the service areas that they service. So they're missing out on a lot of traffic. As for you, you're going to need to get a lot more backlinks. You need to have more backlinks than your top competitor for your service in each service area. These guys have more content, so they have more keywords indexed, and they're seeing 173 on average per month. But you guys are both missing out on quite a bit of traffic, so it's really important to work on those strategies. A backlink is when one website links to another website and drives traffic to that website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant it is to your website, the more authority and the more power it's going to give you, pushing you up to rank higher. And finally, the last thing I want to talk to you about today is the Google Map Pack or Google My Business. For this specific term searched, you are number 1, which is awesome. That's exactly where you want to be. You want to maintain the top 3 spot for all service areas and keywords, because 30% of people come directly here and won't go any further. And so if you're not in the top 3, you're giving those hot leads to your competition. In order to be here and maintain this spot, you're going to have a well-maintained and optimized Google My Business. And part of that has to do with, well, actually there's several factors, but the most important factor is something called Citations, which is the name of your business, your address, your phone number, and your website, and listing those in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Yellow Pages. So you need to have more of those citations than your top competitors. When you apply all of these tips that I've given you today, your website can be number 1 across Google in your service areas for your keywords. Now, I know you're probably wondering, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've provided and apply it yourself, which is completely okay, because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback on this video. But if you would like help getting any of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.